Okay guys, you have a test tomorrow in AP Government. I'm going to post that test at 3. I do require that you watch this video to kind of go along with that. So, really I want to go over the quiz, go over the answers for the quiz, so it would be very helpful if you don't have it right now, go ahead and pause the video and make sure that somewhere you have access to the questions to the quiz that you just took. So you all should have that. At the very least, there's another copy on class documents, and you should remember the answers you selected. Take out your answers though as well, because you should have those. And so we're just going to go through those answers and just figure out whether you got the question right or whether you got the question wrong. So for number 1, the answer is B. 2E, 3A, 4C, 5A, 6B, 7B, 8A, 9B, 10A, 11A, 12A, 13A, 14, it was C. And I know that on the test, or on the quiz, this was tough for you guys, so let's please do address that. There were a lot of people who, for this one, put B incorrectly. It was close, and I can see why you would put B, but the idea, the bigger idea is that, remember, talking about Ronald Reagan and the 1980s and this process of devolution. Also to go along with just what you guys should have read about in terms of deregulation of the bureaucracy and all that. The idea was that the bureaucracy moves slowly and inefficiently, and that is wrought with problems and whatnot. So if they were to downsize the scope of government, that it might, in the process of doing so, improve the efficiency of that public services industry, so or the public service delivery. So C is the correct answer for that one. 15 is C, 16 E, 17 is E, 18 is D, 19 is A, 20 is A, 21, there were a number of things that you guys could have placed down for this one. Some of the common ones might have been the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. I also saw the Federal Reserve Board placed down as one of those. Either one of those would be fine. You could have said, for an example of a government corporation, the United States Postal Service. I think most of you guys did put that one. And for number 23, you could have put NASA. Okay, that would have been perfectly fine. Other possible answers, maybe the General Services Administration. In 24, the Department of Defense, the Department of Homeland Security. A lot of you guys put that one. All could have been possible answers. And then for number 25, we're talking about Humphrey's executor versus United States. So look at what you got. Take a close look at what you got wrong, so you don't make the same mistakes for the test. All right. Hopefully see you guys soon.